Hello everyone, welcome to Start by Mike Fashion YouTube page once again. Today I want to teach you guys how to take suit measurements. And here we have with me
Samuel.
Mr. Sam. So without wasting much time, we're going to get straight into it because there's no time actually. So now to take your suit measurements, the dimensions that you need: the chest, the shoulder, the sleeve, the bicep, the round sleeve, and also the length of the suit. You also take the tummy and so first the chest. This is the chest. It has to be fitted. This is 30 inches for the chest. Go to the tummy. This is 27 for the guy. Now the hip is around here. This is the hip. This is 31 and a half. Now we're going to measure the bicep. The bicep is around the muscle. The bicep is around the muscle. And this so I make sure that I have 2 fingers in between. 2 fingers in between. Now this is like 9.5 inches. Now I'm measuring around. This is the cuff. This is 8 inches. I must make sure you communicate with your clients for them to tell you how free or how fitted they want the suit, so that you can take your good reference measurements. Now I'm going to measure the shoulder. For the shoulder, I'll have 15 inches for this guy. And then I'll have place that the shoulder stops. That's where I'll mark. Start measuring the sleeve from there all the way to the wrist. Now this is 21 and a half. 21 and a half. Now for the length of the suit, it's going to fit his hand like this, hold your hand like this, and then you stretch it. So now at the place where this stops, that will be the length of the suit. So I'm going to measure now. That point is around 27. It's around 27 inches. So that will be the length of the suit. Also, for the half length of the suit, he's going to fold his hand like this. And now I'm going to take the measurements up to the elbow. Up to the elbow level. That's where from here to the elbow level, that'll be the half length. So now come this way. And this will be around 15 inches, half length, 15 inches. So for suit, you see that it's very simple and straightforward. That's just the measurements that you need. For the trouser, it's just normal. The way you measure normal trouser, you just measure it, cut it, and then you do that. So this is the first series of the suit series that I'm going to be posting. After this, I'm going to post on how to draft the suit, the main body of the suit. I'm going to show you how to draft the sleeve and how to put it together. So ensure you subscribe to the channel. Please like this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll reply to each and every one of them. So thank you for watching. Catch you in the next video.